Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a dedicated review section to your Shopify product page. So let's get started. First, you have to add a review app. Before you do that, you have to access your Shopify account. And to do so, just go to your web browser and type in the search bar shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Now, go to Apps in Shopify and search for product reviews by Shopify. You can search for it in the search bar. Product reviews. And you can search for it. You can find many apps that allows you to review your products. I'll select this Judge.me product review apps, and you can install it. As you can see, I already installed it, so I'll go to the next step. After you install the app, now add the section to your product page. To do so, just go to Online Store, then select Themes. After selecting Themes, select Customize next to the three dots. When the product page will appear, find the product, click on it. This will direct you to the product options. Here you can add sections. I'll select Add Section, and I'll see if I can add a product review. Here you can see featured products, featured collections. I'll maybe I'll use this one. It looks more like yeah, and I can change the title to product reviews. And there we go. We just added a section of product reviews to our Shopify store. Finally, adjust the display settings. In the app, go to Settings to change how reviews are shown, customize color, layout, and sort orders. After that, you save them. And that's it. Now you know how to add a review section to your Shopify store's product page. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.